See the seventh question in your textbook. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B and B is 12.7 kilometers from C. Ayub went from place A to place D, from there to place C. D is 9.3 kilometers from A and C is 11.8 kilometers from D. Who travelled more and by how much? Here the question belongs to who travelled, that means who moved more distance. Who travelled more distance. Here see in the seventh question two persons are there, Dinesh and Ayub. Dinesh travelled some distance and Ayub also travelled. So comparing to who, which person, whose person, that means Dinesh or Ayub. So both of them who has travelled more distance. Here the distance also given. Okay, by comparing that we can say that who has travelled more. First of all, see Dinesh travelled. That is Dinesh went from place A to B. A to B. How much distance? 7.5. A to B, the distance is 7.5 kilometers. After that, from B to C. B to C, the distance is 12.7 kilometers. Similarly, Ayub also went from place A to D. Here, this is the distance of Dinesh. And this is the distance of Ayub. Ayub travelled from A to D. How much distance? 9.3 kilometers. Ayub from D to C. How much distance? 11.8 kilometers. Okay. Here we have to find who has travelled more distance by how much. How much means first of all we have to find the total distance of the two persons. After that, we have to compare which person has. Comparison means we have to subtract both of the travelled distances. Right. First of all, the distance travelled by Dinesh. Distance travelled by Dinesh from total distance, that is A to AB plus BC. The distance travelled by Dinesh, AB plus BC, right? Directly AB BC. Why? Because this total distance he has travelled, that is 7.5 kilometers, 12.7 kilometers. Total is how much? 7.5, 12.7. 5 plus 7, 12. 7 plus 3, 10. That is 20.02 kilometers. Similarly, distance travelled by Ayub from AD, so that is AD DC, 9.3 kilometers plus 11.8 kilometers. Add 9.3, 11.82. 3 plus 8, 11, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. That is 21.1 kilometers. Now compare, I am comparing the distances of Dinesh and Ayub. Very good. So who has travelled more? Ayub only. Okay, write that one. I am comparing the total distance of Dinesh and Ayub, or Ayub and Dinesh. Who has whose distance more? That is 21.1 kilometer is greater than 20.2 kilometers. Ayub distance is more. By how much means you have to subtract. That is 21.1 kilometers minus 20.2 kilometers. Subtract 21.2, 20.2, 0.1. So then how much more? Here the total distance is here given 21.1. Sorry, 21.1. 11.2. 1 minus 2 subtract, no, take the bar, 11 minus 2 is 9. Then 0, 0.09, that is 0.9 kilometers distance is he has travelled. How much distance travelled more? 0.9 kilometers. Therefore, are you covered? You write here, therefore, are you covered more distance by 0.9 kilometers than Dinesh. Okay, children, that 0.9 kilometers you convert into meters. You will get 900 meters. 900 meters. Okay, so right, children, in the 8th question also, see how the problem we are going to solve that. Shama bought 5 kilograms 300 grams apples and 3 kilograms 250 grams mangoes. Sarala bought 4 kgs 800 grams oranges and 4 kilograms 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Here this question says us who bought more fruits. That means question belongs to fruits. That means two persons are there, Shama and Sarala. Shama bought apples and bananas. Apples and bananas. She bought some weight and here also bananas also some weight of the fruits she bought. Similarly, Sarala also bought two types of fruits. What is that? Oranges and bananas. Among these two persons, Shyamala and Sarala, who bought more fruits? First, we add the total weight of the fruits of apples and bananas bought by Shama. Similarly, Sarala also bought the total weight of the fruits bought by Sarala, that is oranges plus bananas. After that, by adding two weights, you compare which whose person bought the more fruits. Okay, comparison means how to find that by subtracting. Okay, I want to give this one homework to you. You have to do yourself. 8th question. This is same related to 7th question. So 8th question I am giving to you homework in the page number 48. How much less is 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers? Come to the 9th question. See how much is less. 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers. Then 42.6, 28 kilometers, how much less? Means what you have to do? Subtract from 42.6 kilometers to 28 kilometers. Subtract 6 minus 0, 6, 2 minus 8, no. You will not subtract, take the bar, it becomes the 12, 12 minus 8, 4. Here 1 means reduced, 3 will be there, 3 minus 2, 1. How much kilometer is less than? 14.6 kilometers. That is the answer. You write there 14.6 kilometer is less than. Therefore, so 14.6 kilometers is less 28 kilometers is less 28 kilometers than 42.6 kilometers. Okay? Okay, children. Now, the next topic is multiplication of decimal numbers. How to multiply the decimal numbers. Keep getting, the next topic is multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, so in the previously you learned how to multiply the two fractions. Suppose 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 is there. These are the fractions. Okay, how to multiply numerator and numerator? How to multiply that is 1 by 10 into 10 100. Okay, 10 tens are 100. How we multiply the decimal numbers? Here see 1 by 10 decimal is what? 0.1. So here 0.1. What is the product of 0.1 and 0.1? actual multiplication you have to do here. 1 ones are 1, 1 0 0. Leave the place value, that is the unit place. Multiply the tens place here. 0 ones 0 and 0 0 0. Now add in the multiplication you have to add here 1 0 0. Here see the decimal points here. How many digits here? 1 here 2. You have to give the decimal point here to the right side. So that is 1 2. 2 digits after you have to give the decimal point. What is the product of 0.1 into 1 and 0.1? 0.01. Okay. So not only that, multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000. How to multiply? See, for example, take 7.6 multiply by 10. How to multiply? First, actual method. First, don't give the decimal point. Multiply 76. Don't consider this decimal point. Leave that one. 76 into 10. That is 760. After that, you have to check here. One digit before the decimal point is there. So the decimal point how to give from left, right side to you have to consider. That is one digit after. Okay. Here, one digit after you will give to the decimal point. Same product will come, same digits. So there is no changes. I mean 676 will come, but the decimal point place will change. Okay. So that is 76. So what is the product of the 7.6 into 76? Similarly, 7.54 into 100. Multiply decimal number by 100. What is the product here? Same. First of all, multiply 754, put to 0. So this is the solution. But there is a decimal point. How to give the decimal point here? There are 2 digits before the decimal point. That means right side to you have to take 2 digits after the decimal point. That is 1, 2. You give the decimal point. After the decimal point, zeros don't consider. The answer is 754. Similarly, by 1000 is there 8546.252. Suppose take this decimal number, multiply by 1000. Okay, so you will get same digits. No, there is no change on the digits. Just you put the 3 zeros. Okay, so where you have to give the decimal point here? You have to consider from here 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after give the decimal point. You cancel. Why? Because after the decimal point zeros, no meaning. You can write like this. Okay. Right. This is the multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000. Any number you can multiply. But you have to remember how to give the decimal place. First to multiply actual multiplication, multiply. After that you consider how many digits before the decimal point is there. That way digits you have to count and start from right side to, okay, you have to give the decimal point. Right. Okay, keep heading 2.6. We can multiply here the multiplication of decimal numbers. Keep heading in your notebook exercise 2.6. This exercise totally depends on the multiplication of decimal numbers. Right. The first question, see here, find 0.2 into 6. Decimal number multiplying by whole number, that is 0.2 into 6. How to find? First of all, what did I say? Don't consider the decimal point. Actual multiplication you do, that is 6 to the 12. Okay, 6 to the 12. Here how many digits before the decimal point? 1. Right side you have to give. There is 1 after decimal point. What is the product here? 1.2. Very good. Similarly, see the second one, 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4.6. Similarly, multiply here 4.6, 8. This 6 8 48. You write. Okay, so that is 48, only one digit is there, 6 8s are 48. Use the place value first, 4 8s are 32. Right. Add 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 3. So here the how many digits after the decimal point? One digit. What is the product here? 36.8. 36.8. Similarly, see the third one, 2.71 by 5. 2.71 by 5. How to multiply? Same procedure. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Right, 5 here, 5 is 10 plus 3, 13. 2 digits you have to take from right side, 1, 2. That is 13.155. 13.55. See the fourth one also here, same procedure. 20.1 into 4. 20.1 into 4. Multiply 4 ones are 4, 4 0 0, 4 twos are 8. The decimal where we have to give the decimal point for before. Okay, 18.4. Right. 5th, 6th, 7th can you do? Right. Okay, page number 52. Exercise 2.67. In the first question, 5, 6, 7. You have to do yourself. Come to the second question. What is that? Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. What is here? What you have to find? The area of a rectangle. Okay, we know that the rectangle having the length and the breadth. The given rectangle and the breadth are there. Using that, we have to find the area of a rectangle. Right. So, what is the given length of the rectangle here? Given length of the rectangle is 5.7 centimeters. Breadth is what? Breadth is 3 centimeters. We have to find the area of the rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length is 5.7 centimeters into 3 centimeters breadth. Multiply first 3 sevens are 21. 3 fives are 15 plus 2 17. So where the decimal point is one digit before, that is one digit. 17.1 centimeter square. Thus the area of rectangle is 17.1 centimeter square. It is very easy now. Okay then. Okay children, see in the third question also we have to multiply the decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal number by 10 100. Find the first one. First one, see 1.3 into 10. How to find this one? First 13 tens are 130. How to give the decimal point? One digit after. So it is equal to 13. Similarly, second question, 36 point into 10. By actual method we got 3, 6, 8, 0. Just put here 0. The decimal point where you have to give one digit after. That is, you will get 368. Similarly, third one, 153.7 into 10. Just to put the result to 0. So one digit after 0. Before you have to give the decimal point. It is equal to 1537. Similarly, in 168.07 into 10, that is, just put here also 0 and the decimal point, how many digits after? 2 digits after. Right side we have to give 1, 2. The decimal point after 0 means you don't need to consider. You can write here 0, 168 to 0.7. Okay, similarly, 31.1 into 100. That is, put the 2 zeros and give the decimal point one digit before. That is 3110. Okay, and see the sixth one, multiplying 156.1 into 100. 156.1 into 100. Just here but without considering the decimal point, you multiply by 100. You will get 15,000. So here 1,56,100. Where you have to give the decimal point, the one digit after, you will get 15,610. Very easy, children. Okay, by 10, 100,000, very easy. So I hope you will do the remaining problems. So that is in the third question, 7. The third question, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these all problems you have to do yourself. And come to the fourth question. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? Okay, two-wheeler is there. That is bike, anything. Okay, that two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers. How much distance? 55.3 kilometers distance covers with how much liters here? The petrol, 1 liter of petrol. Okay, in 1 liter of petrol, the two-wheeler covers, the distance is 55.3 kilometers. How much distance will it cover? 10 liters. For 1 liter, it covers 55.3. 10 liters means how much distance it covers. Can you do this? Okay, how to do this one? It is also very easy. Okay, word problem I am giving to you over fourth question. Okay, right. Fifth question, see, find the product of, see children, find 2.5 into 0.3. First of all, we have to do the actual multiplication. That is 2.5 into 0.3. First you multiply 3 5s are 15. Okay. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Clear the place value, first place value, and see the next 0 5 0, 0 2 0. Then 5 7 0, 0 7 5. Here we have to count the place decimal values here, digits 1 2. Right side you have to give 1 2 before that 0.75. What is that? 0.75. Right. Second one, see, the second one, 0.1 into 51.7. Okay. Multiply 7 1 7 7 0 0. So 1 1 1 1 0 0. Take up to place values 5 1 5 5 0 0. Add 7 1 5 0. Where you have to give the decimal here, one digit after, that is 1, here 1. So 2 digits, so that is 1 2. You will get 5.17. 5.17. Similarly, 0.2 into 360.8. Multiply 0.2 into 316.8. See children, here 0.2 into 316.8. How to multiply? 8 2s are 16. Next, give the place value, first one, and 6 2s are 12. Similarly, give the two place values, 0 2s. That is 1 2s are 2, 1 0 0. Right. Leave the 3 place values here. 3 2s are 6. Okay. 0. 3 zeros 0. Right. Now add 6 3 3 6 0. Now where we have to give the decimal point here? Here 1 digit after. Here 1 digit after. That is 2 digits. 1 2. That is 63.36. 63.36. Similarly, see here 1.3 into 3.1. 1.3 into 3.1. Multiply 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1. Leave the 1's place here. Next 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Add 3, 1 plus 9 10, 3 plus 1 4. So where you have to give the decimal 2 digits. It is 4.03. 4.03. Okay, right. The next one, see here. 0.5 into 0.05. 0.5 into 0.05. Multiply same procedure. 5 5s are 25. Leave the ones place. 0 5 0 0. Again leave the two place values. 0 5 0 0. Then 5 2 0 0. How many digits here? 1 2 here 1. Then it's total 3. 1 2 3. 3 digits before you have to give the decimal point. 0.025. Last one, see the sixth one. 11.2 into 0.15. Multiply 5 2s are 10. Next 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 5 1s are 5. Leave the first place value here. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s 1. 1 1s 1. Then after 0 2s 0. 0 1 0 0. Add 0 8. 5 plus 1 6 1 0. So you got 1680. Where you have to give the decimal point here? So 1 2 digits after here 1. Then total 3. 1 2 3. Where we got 1.680. Okay children, the remaining problems are also very easy. You have to do yourself. What is that? So up to 6 problem I explained. 7 to 10. In the fifth question, 7 to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to do yourself. So up to now you have completed exercise 2.6. You have to solve these problems neatly and post to the WhatsApp. If you have any doubts, you come to the Zoom class, you can clarify the doubts. Until then, bye students.